Okay, Kyosho class. These are the only two guys that showed up today. You guys ready?
Yep.
We're gonna go on go. 1, 2, 3, go! This is a fast track today. Little wide on that turn. Dan is catching up. Oh, he screwed up again. And Dan takes the lead. Oh, loses it. This is the second lap. Oh, that was close. Third lap, third and final lap. Oh, he screwed up. Hey, Bruno wins the first lap. First, not lap, but first best out of 3. Second race of best out of 3. Bruno is up 1, which is the kind of olive color Camaro. Great racers ready? On go. 1, 2, 3, go. 3 laps. Let's go. And Dan takes the lead. Bruno is coming up. Whoa, that was a bad hit. Racing is bumping. Whoa, takes him into the wall. Third and final lap. He got air on that one. Bruno is up in the lead again. Oh. Hey, come on, Bruno. There we go. Bruno wins the second lap. Best out of 3. So, Dan got eliminated. Since they're the only 2 racing, they get to go again. And this is the... So, best out of 3 again. Bruno has to lose twice. Dan already lost once. As soon as you lose 2 times, you're out. Okay, you guys ready? Yep. 1, 2, 3, go! Dan has a very big lead. He's on his second lap. Whoa, something broke over there. Whoa, head-to-head accident. Wow. What the heck did you break? He came across and broke. What is it?
Maybe I'll just reset it. I think it just came out. Pin's still there. This
Oh,
doesn't
yeah.
look broke.
Wow, and you found your dry shaft, which is good. Okay, go put it back. Okay, so Bruno won the first race, best out of 3. Are you ready? On go. 1, 2, 3, go. That darn... Whoa! The guys are not used to have a speed track. Used to have a lot of chicane and a lot of turns, but this time I went with 3 long straightaways. That's your second lap. Third and final lap. That's it. Dan wins the second way, so it's tied 1-1. Okay, third race of best out of 3. It's tied 1-1. You guys ready? Yep. On go. 1, 2, 3, go. Dan's in the lead on the first lap. This is the second lap. Third and final lap. Bruno has to catch up. And that's it. So now it's 1-1. Bruno won 1 best out of 3 and Dan won 1 best out of 3. So here we go again for the final best out of 3. Yeah, finals best out of 3. So whoever wins this wins the Kyosho. Okay, guys, ready? Who's got this? Who believes he's got this?
I got this.
You got that, Dan?
I jinxed myself.
You need to get the points. You need the points for the point series, right?
Yeah. Try to.
You're gonna try to?
Yep.
Okay. So, see if we can't do something special here. Try to not to hit me. Racers ready? Set, go. That was close. Whoa. Oh, they're pretty close there. Best out of 3. Oh, whoa. Bruno kind of lost it a little bit. Dan lost it in the curve. Whoa, takes him out. Bruno's in the lead. Almost hit that bag again. Whoa, Dan took him out. These guys are aggressive. Oh, somebody lost a tire. He lost the whole tire. So you need a screw. It just unscrewed or is it broken? Oh, there's a friggin' hole in there. Wow. And that's not the Kyosho tires?
No, that's MSD rims.
MSD rims. Okay, you got 5 minutes to get it fixed.
And if you're in the back, punch it. Yeah.
Okay, so Dan won the first best out of 3. So 2 more races to go. Or 1, depending if Dan wins again. Whoever wins this best out of 3 is the winner. You guys ready?
Yep.
On go. 1, 2, 3, go. Sorry. I played with you guys. Dan, do you want to stop? I played with you guys. Just we'll restart this because I kind of played with you guys 1, 2, 3 and it was not fair for both of you. So come back. Sorry. I shouldn't have did this. You got to be a little bit serious. I won't stop counting this time. On go. Guys ready?
Yep.
1, 2, 3, go. That's a better start. Second lap. Third, final lap. Whoa, he did. That's it. Dan wins it. Dan's a winner. Good job.
Race man.